Alright, welcome to another episode of Man Pedal Garage. I'm Jason, and I have a new rear end. Well, new to me. And it's just the housing. I went over to MPS Salvage, which is near Athens in Statham, Georgia. They had a housing for a fairly decent price, and I went ahead and picked it up. So I know I was listening to the comments section. The YouTube guys and the Instagram guys all said to get either an IRS or a Ford 9-inch and throw it in there. But with doing those, I'd have to do too many other modifications like suspension, exhaust, and possibly wheels. And I just didn't want to do all that, so I swapped this. But eventually I would like to get a Cobra IRS so I could take this thing to the track, to Road Atlanta, to AMP, and have fun with it. First things first, I'll get the rear end home and then start buying parts. Check this out. Ford Performance sells their 373 gears for the 8.8 for $300. 300 bucks. You go to LMR, they have the same Ford Performance 373 gear kit. Comes with royal purple oil, friction modifier, all the seals and bearings you need, plus bolts for $310. You're getting that today. I'm cleaning this rear end up so we can take it over to Southern Performance, weld the tubes, put a new gear in it, get everything squared away, and back over here so I can install a new rear end and get this back out on the road. I cannot wait. I've been wanting to drive this for so long, so let's hurry up and make it happen. Ooh. Not too good. It's pretty light actually. Alright, so it did rain. So I had to pull this all inside, but it's all dry. So let's get this going. I probably should have brought a knife. Okay, good. Just a little bit. Safety first. Oh yeah, I wanted to do this magic trick. Ow. There's probably a faster way to do this, so let's try it. And it's mostly done. I've got this section of tubing done on both sides, and this edge around here, which this is the most important part because this is what we're going to be welding tomorrow at Southern Performance. So I'm excited for that. This is fine, good enough for today. I'm running out of daylight. Let's just go ahead and skip to tomorrow morning where I'm loading this up and heading to Southern Performance. And my gear kit from LMR has finally arrived. Gear oil, friction modifier, and our 373 Ford Performance gears. Wow. Now that I have a boatload of new parts for my rear end, I can head over to Southern Performance and have Jamie install them. Jamie does not mess around and just gets to work. So I made a mistake. I thought I had everything I needed, and I forgot the pinion flange. I forgot the pinion flange. Can you put it in gear? So Jamie and I had to head back to my house so I could pull the pinion flange off, because you kind of need the pinion flange to be able to set the pinion. Ah, fun times. Okay.
There's a lot more in there.
Nope. Yeah, all right. I did when I was building all of it. Don't know if it's gonna pop off easily. Yeah, just spinning it.
Yeah, you're going to hold that flange
How do I do that?
with your hands.
With my hands.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Too easy. Yeah.
You want this?
Especially crush.
All right.
There you go. That's what we needed.
That's all we needed, right?
Yeah. So we get back home and we'll find out in a minute.
Yeah. Now that I have the pinion flange, let's let Jamie's idle hands get back to work.
I don't need your opinion.
12,000. So that's pretty goddamn good.
Now that Jamie's finished with the rear end, I've loaded it up and I'm heading home. That way I can finish cleaning it, paint it, and put in the axles and everything else. That way I can get it in the car. But there might be a few other things I need to do. It is hot out here. I'm back from Southern Performance and this is installed, but I still need axles and I still want to paint it and I still need to get these out and there's still a lot of work to be done. So I'm going to use a little bit of magic, hopefully better than the last bit of magic I tried, and we're going to prep this. Well, taped off, got a couple plugs in the end. We're going to have to move because it's getting hot. All right. I wonder if it's... Cutting this video a little bit short. The paint that I had ended up not being the exact color that I wanted, and then I discovered some of my fuel lines had been rubbing, and I mean bad. So I took them apart, or I've taken them off. In the next video you'll see me work on it, and the cat is on the... So in the next video I'll fix this, and then this, and we'll reveal the paint color. How's that? Alright, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if that's something you want to do. I like making these videos and I like just having fun with it. So yeah, stick around. There'll be more coming. There's a lot more coming.
That's what she said?
Gross.